Hi, it's Dana Fox, Running with Hope, and I just finished an epic ride with my best friends and 5,000 new ones. I've got all the way to the end here, and guess what? It rained a little at the end, but it was an epic ride. And I have to tell you, if you've never done a ride with 5,000 of your closest friends, this is the trip to make it. Very well organized. Big shout out to Princess Margaret Hospital, the whole crew that organized this. Outstanding job. One of the best rides I've ever done in my life. And so many volunteers, smiling faces, jingle bells, people getting picked up, handing out food. It was just a terrific event, and I couldn't say more about it. And for all those people that rode with the flags on the back that are yellow, like the one that I had, special shout out to those folks and all of those people lining the streets that gave us a ring of the bell and a wave of the hand. That's pretty special as well. So, wow, what a day. And I am so lucky to be here with all of the help from the Grand River Cancer Center, Cholangiocarcinoma Foundation, C3 up in Ottawa, all our friends at the hospitals. It's made it possible to come here and have a super ride with my friends. So, you know what? It's all good. I'm really glad we did this with all my friends, my wife, Carol Lee Fox, my son Jordan Fox, Aaron Fox helping out, and all of our friends on Team Dana. I have to give you a thumbs up, and for everyone else that donated money, woohoo! We raised a ton of money for this research, so go team!